I'm Dr. John Estes, the Yerger Chair of Mathematics and the Director of Engineering Partnerships here at Belhaven University. The Mathematics Department at Belhaven University offers a Bachelor's of Science in Mathematics that helps students go on to graduate school or get into industry. And we also offer a Bachelor's of Arts in Mathematics that helps students get into the classroom if they want to teach.
Growing up, math was always one of my best subjects, and growing up I had really good math teachers. I loved the aspect of education as well as math, and so that's kind of what made me pursue my math career. So I'm a volleyball player here at Belhaven, and the coach here started to recruit me. I'm originally from Georgia, and when he contacted me, I came on a visit, and I ended up loving the small Christian school atmosphere, and I loved the team and the math department as well.
I struggled with mathematics as a kid, and it wasn't until I got to high school that I was able to understand, and I got a job working at a high school. It kind of just clicked for me. I felt a sense of fulfillment and purpose when my students would come back and they would say, "Hey, Miss Moore, I made this on my math test," or now I understand, I know the quadratic equation, I understand this, I understand that, and it kind of gave me like a bubbly feeling on the inside, almost like I'm the reason for that. You know, I helped them with that.
What we like to say about Belhaven Mathematics is that we provide a community for learning and a pathway to a fulfilled career and calling. And we work very hard on that. We are very active in pursuing engagement with our students, setting personalized goals, asking them what they want to do, where they see themselves, and figuring out what can we do to help you get that way. We provide top-level curriculum starting out their freshman year. Our students get involved with using Wolfram's Mathematica, which is a computer algebra system that can handle all sorts of higher-level mathematics.
Math stats, that course really was very difficult. And so one of the things that I knew I could always rely on was coming to Dr. Oakley's office every time I had a question, which is quite often, and he would very patiently just work through the problems with me and explain them to me even if I was making the same mistakes over and over again, and that helped me get through that course very well. The professors are very, very patient and willing to work with you one-on-one.
I have met some of the nicest people here that I have anywhere, and that's from the students to the faculty, to the teachers to down to the custodians. Like, everybody is just warm and welcoming.
You'll meet a lot of other people who are just like you, and it'll strengthen your faith. If you struggle in math at all or in any specific area of math, you'll get the help you need. They're not going to let you fail. If you're putting in the work, you will do well and you will succeed.
If you have interest in studying mathematics at Belhaven University, contact me. I'd love to give you a tour, show you around, show you what we do, and see how we can help meet your personal goals.